All right, this is the practice quiz for quiz 4. What you might want to do here is, if you don't have a copy of this, I handed it out on Friday, March 13th. If you don't have a copy of it, you could copy down the problems. Right now, pause the video, copy down the problems, and then as I go through them, you can check your answers. So right now, I'd pause the video, copy down the problems that are listed here, and then try the problems on your own, and then start the video to see the answers. Okay, so the first one here, if I reveal the work for this one, so let's find the area. Well, the area formula is 1/2 AB sine of C. So it's C is the included angle. Here it's 77. There's the sides that are given. You could call either one A or B. All right, so this is goes with number 2. Whoops. Actually failed to do number 1 here, so let me go ahead and do that now. So if I insert an equation here, the area is going to be 1/2 and then 7.9. So either one could be either side could be A or B, and then 6. And then sine of the included angle, which is 77. So now I'm going to go to my calculator and do 1/2 times 7.9 times 6 sine of 77. So once again, make sure you're in degree mode. I'm already in degree mode, so I've been using the calculator in degree mode. Let me X some of these out here. All right, so I'm going to do 1 divided by 2. And then times 7.9 times 6 times sine is 77.
Time to go out.
And then I get A is 23.09. And if I go back here, there's no units given, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Letter B, 1/2 AB sine of C is 1/2 9.2 times 15 sine of 48. You get 51.3 square meters. And the next set of problems, you have to figure out whether you're going to use law of sines or cosines. So given side angle, you use law of sines. Sine of 77 over 20 equals sine of A over 15, cross multiply. And then you want to solve for sine A. So to find the angle, you have to do the inverse sine of this ratio right here. So make this fraction bar better here. So sine A is 15 times sine of 77 over 20. You do the inverse sine of that ratio. get 46.95 degrees. Number 4 is angle side, so you're going to use law of sines for that one. So sine of 115 over b equals sine of 41 over 21, cross multiply. Solve for b there. You get b is equal to 29.09. That's the same as side AC. If I want to find AC here, I'm given angle, side angle. So first I have to find angle C by knowing that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So 180 minus 44 minus 22 is 114 degrees. And then set up the law of sines here. Sine of 114 over 19 is equal to sine of 41 over b. And I'm solving for b, which is the same as side AC. So b is 13.64. Number 6 is side angle. So law of sines again. Here you want to find the angle, so you have to do the inverse sine of the ratio. And you get 20.01 degrees. Once again, might want to copy these problems down. Pause the video, copy the problems down, try them, and then come back to the video and check your answers. So number 7 here, it's side angle side. You're going to use law of cosines. So if I want to find BC, that's going to be my C, side C. So C squared equal 21 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 21 times 15 cosine of 104. To solve for C, you have to take the square root of both sides. So I take the square root of this whole expression here, and I get 28.6 kilometers. Number 8, find angle A. You're given side, so you're going to use the law of cosines. So this is actually going to be your angle C, and this is going to be side C in your law of cosines formula. So 24 squared equal 26 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times 26 times 21 cosine of A. Or you can just look at the cosine formula as whatever angle you're trying to find in side, that's going to be on the left-hand side of the equation. So here's the angle, and the side opposite is going to be your C. The other two numbers are going to be A and B. And then since I'm trying to find A, that's my angle C. And if I look at C squared equal A squared plus B squared minus 2AB, cosine is C. I just make an A angle C in that formula. All right, manipulating the equation, you get this ratio right here. There's cosine A. And then to find A, you have to do the inverse cosine ratio, and you get 60.3. And number 9 is the 2 lighthouses. You want to find each of these sides here. So since you're given angle side, you're going to use law of sines twice. So the first time, you're going to find this side, 28.94. And then the second time is this side. So if I insert this answer right here, is 36.58 miles. Right, and this makes sense because in geometry, you should have learned that the sides are opposite the angle. The sides are proportionate to the angles they're opposite of. So 95 is the largest angle, so this is the largest side. 33 is the smallest angle, so that's the smallest side. And then 52 is in between 95 and 33, so it has to be between, this answer right here has to be between 20 and 36.58, and it is. So it makes sense logically. I mean, so be pretty sure he did the calculations correctly if it works out that way. So this should be, this is 95 degrees right here. Let me go ahead and put that in. So the last one there, you use law of sines twice to find the missing sides there.